I'm out of here.
Come here. Shelby. Come see Mommy.
Alexis started crying. Shelby looks at her and rah! And they both started. It was like a big
Shelby.
concert.
Where's Mommy?
Shelby. Hi. Come on. Yay! Wanna go see Daddy? All right. Turning around's hard.
She gets silly.
All right.
Now she's getting excited and ready to go.
Oh! Face plant.
Sit. Match.
Come here. Turn around. Give Mommy a hug.
Alexa, what are you doing?
Let's relax. Yeah.
Trying shoes on?
Just sit her down on your leg and let her stand up and walk.
Taking the chair. I don't know what she's doing. Rearranging furniture.
Hooray! Yeah. Go see Mommy.
She can't stand up.
She's getting tired.